Hello.
Hi.
Sorry, my Wi-Fi was a bit laggy.
Eh?
My Wi-Fi was a bit laggy. Sorry.
Oh, I thought you were having a cup of chai first.
Yeah.
To get energy. Yeah.
Mm.
These modern people, they like energy a lot. All right. Okay. Let me see. All right. Okay. So I got the papers. So let's look at this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So this was the worst one, is it? That's where the coronavirus hit a lot. Yeah. There was a lot of disaster here. I don't know why. Okay, right. But looking at the paper, definitely we should have got more than half of the marks. But let's look at it. Let's find the strategy of working on these. Okay, so are they in decimals, is it? No, you got the first one, so I'm not going to worry about that one. You got the second one, so we need to start from C. Yeah, so it's a C which you started going to Mozambique. All right, okay. So now some of these things, when I'm explaining, make sure you write them, okay, in your notes. Okay? Yeah, because otherwise you will not be able to revise for exam too. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right. So the trick for these ones, all right, the best is change them. Okay, makes life easier. Okay. So what you need to look at is what's the longest number of decimal places. Okay. So the first one has 1, 2, 3. The next one has 1, 2. The next one has 1, 2, 3. The next one has 1, 2, 3. So what you need to do, where there's a dot, you put 1. Okay, so I'm going to put at the top. Usually I tend to put at the bottom. Maybe let me put at the bottom. So let's take this one. So you put 1. The 1 is standing for the dot. And every number after that, you put 0. So 0, 0, 0. Okay, so there are 3, which means it's 1,000. Okay, so you take the longest. So the longest is these ones, because there are 3, 3, 3. Okay, so this shows you what you need to multiply with. So you multiply each one of them with 1,000. Okay. Yeah. So let's do that. Okay, and then multiply each one of them with 1,000. Okay, so if we multiply the first one with 1,000, it's going to become 1073. Okay, if you multiply this one with 1,000, it's going to become 1370. If you multiply this one with 1,000, it's going to be 1307. If you multiply this one with 1,000, it's going to become 1703. Okay. So then it's easier, yeah. So you can see. So look at the smallest. So this is 1,073. This is 1,370. This is 1,307. This is 1,703. So this is the smallest. Okay. So we're going to put this one number 1. Okay. So we've done well with that one. Then we need to look at it. What's the second? So you can see this is 3 after 1. This is 3 after 1. This is 7 after 1. The difference with this one now, we want to look at it 3, 7. This is 3, 0. This is 7, 0. So when you look at it 7, 0, which one do you think is the second?
The one with 0, 7.
Yeah, 0, 7. So this is number 2. So we've done away with that one. And now we compare these 2. So which one is is bigger?
Would it be the one with 7, 0?
With 7, 0, yes, because this is 1, 7. So 7 is bigger than 3. So this is 3, and this is 4. So then you rewrite them again the way they were. So put them back. So you can see now, you know that they have said starting with the smallest. So it's going to be 1.073. The next is going to be this one, which is 1.303. 1.07, and the next one is going to be this one, which is 1.37, and the last one is going to be 1.703. Okay, so that's the way to do it.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can't compare; they are confusing. The best is need to be of the same, the same type. So the best is look at the small, the decimal places. The one which has got the highest number of those decimal places, then that's the one you take. So you put 1 standing for the decimal point, and then you add 0 for every number that it comes after. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Right. Let's look at this one. Okay. This one again. Okay. What you need to look at is look at what are they. Yeah. So you have y here. So y is on its own. So I'm going to write 3y. Okay. Put in the brackets. Okay. So I know that after y, okay, it's going to be plus. So I'm going to put a plus here.
Okay. Yeah.
The next I'm going to look at the, yeah, all those that have got x's. So I have 2x. And the next one is a plus, so plus 5x. Okay. Any other x's? No. So I put a bracket. The next I have is a minus 4. Okay, so I have minus 4 plus 7. So what I've done, I've put all the numbers on its own and all the letters on their own. Okay, right? So this one, there's nothing I can do because I can't add anything. So it's still going to be 3y. Plus, and these I can add because it's 2x plus 5x, so it's going to be 7x. And here, minus 4 plus 7 is going to be plus 3. So that's the answer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, easy. You see how easy they are?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's as easy as eating a chocolate, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, let's take the next one. So the next one, okay, what we need to do, right? We look at the numbers first, okay? So there's 2 here, and there is 4 there, okay? So what is common in 2 and 4? What number can divide in 2 can divide in 4 without a remainder? Are you freezing or are you there? You're frozen up, yes. Hello. Hello.
Hi, sorry.
You are disappearing and appearing. Okay, so we look at the numbers first. Okay, so there is 2 here, there is 4. Okay, so what number can divide into 2 and 4 without a remainder?
2.
Yeah, so we're going to take that 2. We said 2 is common, so we write 2 here. Okay, the next we're going to look for, yeah, what is common between x squared and x. So it's x. We take the lowest. Okay, so it's x. So this is going to be x here. All right. So now we are going to be dividing. Okay. So we are dividing 2 into 2 is going to be 1, and x into x squared is going to be x. So therefore, 1 times x is going to be x. So here is x
Okay.
minus, yeah,
Yeah.
2 into 4 is 2, and x into x is 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. So this is the answer. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, easy. Huh? I was even crying when I saw that. I said, why was he feeling this? Yeah. I was crying on your behalf if I can. Yeah. Next call me, I will just be crying in the room. Let's look at this one. Okay.
Okay.
Again, this one. Okay. But don't forget I talk rubbish because what is easy for me is not easy for you. Okay. Yeah, just to pay attention. So just say, this old man is just talking rubbish. Okay, so going to have 11, yeah? okay?
Yeah.
And then is minus, okay? So if you want, you can put a bracket here to avoid you getting confused, okay? So what we're going to be taking is taking 3 inside, okay? So we have taken 3 to go inside. So then it's going to be 3 times x, it's going to be 3x, plus 3 times 2 is going to be 6.
Okay.
All right. So we have taken 3 go into inside the brackets. So now we need to remove the bracket. So we're going to have 11 minus 3x. And because there's a minus here, plus times minus is going to be minus 6.
Okay.
Okay. So now 6 and 11, they are numbers. So we can take away those. Yeah, okay. So 11 take away 6 is going to be 5. Okay. So the answer is going to be 5 minus 3x.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why did you ask the teacher to give you these eggs? Tell her that we do use them for breakfast. Yeah. Next time, so don't worry, you are not going to give me zeros again. Right. Okay. So here, pay attention. I know you like putting these in. Yeah, you are the only one. If you are the other students, they tend to put these in. You know. Now, what you need to do is take one at a time. So we're going to take x at a time. Okay. So we are taking this one and multiply by this. Okay. And then this one multiply by that. Okay. And just continue. Okay. So let's take this one. So x times 3x is going to give us 3x squared. Okay. And you can see there is a plus here. So I'm going to put a plus. Then x times 7 is going to give me 7x. All right. So I've done away with this one. Next, I'm going to take this one, which is 6. Now 6 is minus, and this is plus. So minus times plus is going to be minus. So 6 times 3x is going to be 18x. And then 6 times 3 plus 7 is going to be minus 42. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let's see what is going on here. All right. So we have 3x squared. So we can subtract this 7x, take away 18x. So it's going to be 3x squared. Okay. And this is minus 11x minus 42.
Okay.
That's all.
Oh.
Easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And 70 marks. You would have all these marks, definitely. Yeah. Without even you, yeah, having to struggle to. Okay, but never mind. Time will come when it will be your turn to hit them back. Yeah.
Yeah.
This time, prepare. Say, look, this time you're not going to give me zero, so there's no way. Yeah, you better use those for breakfast. Yeah. Okay. Let's take the next one. Okay. So again, this is really a cry. Next time, call me. I'll cry for you. Okay. Right. But I know the teacher will not understand even if I cry. Probably, but also might be crying in the Malawian way, so you won't be able to understand. Right. Okay. So your equation says y equals 2x minus 3. Okay. So this is a linear equation. Okay. Or another word is the equation of a straight line. Okay, so why do we need this definition? Because then we only need 2 points to draw it. Okay, so they have told you from minus 2, okay, so x is minus 2 to x equals 3. Okay, so what we need is to find the value of y when x is 2. So write down when x equals 2, because that's the value, the minus 2, that's the value they have given us. Okay. Then we need to find y. So to find y, we need to substitute this into that equation. So y equals 2 bracket, where there's x, we're going to put minus 2, and then minus 3. Okay, so y is going to be 2 times minus 2 is going to be minus 4 minus 3. Now, which means y equals minus 7. Okay, so which means this point is minus 2, yeah, minus 7. Okay, so that's the first point. We needed the second point. So the second point, they have told us when x equals 3. So solve it. So when x equals 3, then we're going to substitute. We need to find y. So y is equal to 2 bracket 3 minus 3. Okay, so y is going to be equal to 6 minus 3, which equals 3. So this point is going to be 3, 3. And you want to need these. That's all to draw the line. Yeah, but to be safe, okay, let's stay where the x is 0. Okay. Yeah, because I can see how you feel. Okay, so when x equals 0, but you don't need it all. Okay, then we do substitute there. Then y is going to be equal to 2, then 0, then minus 3. So y is going to be equal to minus 3. So that point is going to be 0 minus 3. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, but we don't need too many. That's all what we need. So let's plot. Let's start with the first one. So x is minus 2. And y is going to be minus 7. So it's here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
X is 0. Okay, so we are here. X is 0. Y is going to be minus 3, which is here.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then when x is 3, so x is 3, y is 3. So it's going to be here.
Oh, okay.
You see how easy it is? And then you just need to join this. So you didn't need this point. All you needed is this point and that point.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
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 And then you join that line. That's all. And you
Okay.
need a table. So this is the graph where y equals 2x minus 3. That's all. You get your marks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
give it to the teacher. Say, look, give me marks. All right. Just now. This is my answer. Whether you like it or not, give it to me. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why you got so lost. This is easy peasy. Okay. Yeah. Don't worry, you have time to fight back. I'm sure of that. Okay. Right. So let's look at it here. All right. Now, some of these things, don't just say, oh, because they are in here now, I'm in exam. All right. You sometimes need to think back and say, what is similar that happens to here? Eh? Do I know what else happens here? Oh, yeah, I know what happens here. Okay. So what's the example that you have? Okay, maybe because you are still under the custodian of mom and dad. Okay. But this is what your mom does. Okay. So you can you can use the rule rule, okay, to work out the cost of hiring a car. Okay. So total cost is £4 per hour plus 12 pounds. Now, which one works like this? Is your phone. So your mobile phone. So your mobile phone, it has got line rental. And that line rental is fixed. Okay. So this line rental is fixed. Then you pay for calling and text. The more taxi you make, the more you pay. The more calls you make, the more you pay. But this one is fixed. That fixed is this 12 pounds here.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah.
And this one here is similar to paying per minute.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So all we are worried is this one here. Okay. So work out the total cost. So he hires a car for 5 hours. So he's going to have 5 hours. Yeah. But even before he picks the car, he's supposed to pay 12 pounds. Okay. That's the fixed cost. All right. So we need to have this here. Okay. So 5 times 4 times 5 hours, which is 20 pounds. And then he's going to pay, 20 plus 12, which gives you 32 pounds.
Oh, okay.
All right. So that's the idea behind it. Right. So whether you put your mobile phone in your pocket for the rest of the month, still you're going to pay that fixed ride rental, whether you like it or not. You can't go there and say, I didn't use the phone. You say, yeah, you didn't use the phone, therefore you haven't paid for minutes because you never talked to anybody. You never text anybody. But on top of this, you were supposed to pay 12 pounds ride rental.
Oh,
All right?
okay.
Yeah, so you pay ride rental. Yeah. If you don't, you're going to be taken to court. They're going to win. All right. Okay. Because you signed for it. Okay. So let's look at this one here. Yeah. So he has a total cost of 40. So out of this 40, he has paid the 12, which is fixed. So we need to take away 12 from here. Okay. So if you take 12 from here, you're going to have what? 38?
Yeah.
Okay. So 38, we need to divide by what?
By 4.
So what do we get? That's 7 times 4 is what? No. 7 times 4, so let's say 5 is 26. It's going to be 24. Then what else do we have here?
For
Sure, this is 38? No, this is 28. This is 28.
oh.
Yeah. So this is 7 hours. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's check, make sure it's correct. So 40 take away 12. We need to borrow 1 from here, so there's 3 remaining. 10 take away 2 is 8. 3 take away 1 is 2. Yeah, it's 28. 20 divided by 4 is 7. So it's 7 hours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good, isn't it? Huh? How much kindness can your teacher be like that? Okay. So here, right, what you need to do, you need to try to find the definition. That's why most of the time I try to explain to you, you need to make a definition. Because the moment you make a definition, it's going to help you. Okay, so you say perimeter. Yeah. I remember the day I read about the perimeter at school. I was jumping up and down. Yeah. Perimeter is a distance. Okay. Yeah. A distance all around the object. My teacher was very nice. Yeah. I can still remember that. And I go home, I tell my mom, what did we have learned about perimeter? What is perimeter, mom? Yeah. Mom said, oh, get away. All right. So because there's a distance around, then it means we need to add this. Okay. Right. Okay. So we need to add this. You can leave them. Yeah. They didn't say you should actually calculate these into the actual numbers. Yeah. So you can just add this. So you can have. So we are going to have 3x. Okay. Minus 4 is minus 5. So you can put them in the bracket plus 2x plus 19 minus x. Okay, so here you should say, yeah, so P, which is a perimeter, is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. Right. Okay. So we need to remove the bracket. Okay. So if we're removing the bracket, yeah, it means all the x's should be together. Yeah. So I'm going to have 3x, and then I'm going to have this 2x. Then I'm going to have this minus x. Then minus this 5 here, plus 19. So you can see I put all the x's together. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So 3x plus 2x is 5x minus x. 19 minus 5 is going to be what? 14?
Yeah.
Okay, so 5x take away x is going to be 4x. So this becomes 4x plus 14. 2, obviously you're going to factor out 2, which gives you 2x plus 7 bracket centimeters. So you can leave them this way. You shouldn't get the marks. They didn't say you should find the value of x. So there was no need for you to work with this, because although you can work it out, because this is equal to that. So they have told you it's isosceles, so you can do that. 3x minus 5 equals 19 minus x. Good idea. Then all the numbers go to one side and all the x go to one side. So if we take this to the other side, it's going to be 3x plus x, okay, equals 19 plus 5. So this is going to be 4x, and this is going to be 24. And then you divide by 4. Divided by 4, so your x is equal to 6. So you can substitute here. So wherever there's x is 6. Okay, so it's 2 bracket 2 times 6 plus 7. Okay, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 7, what do you get?
Pardon?
12 plus 7. So this is 2 times 6. That's 12. 12 plus 7 is 19.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 times 19. 38.
Yeah.
Yeah, square centimeters. No, they are not square. They are centimeters. It's a perimeter. It's distance. Walking. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, but you didn't need to do this. You should have left it like that way, unless they say find the value of x.
Oh, okay.
So don't need to waste time. No. Making sense?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If it comes again, you get it. Yeah. Will you get it when it comes again?
Okay.
Ah, good. Excellent. It's gone. One thing my mom told me is that you can be kicked, okay, and you fall down. But what is important is to get up. So when you get up, you're much stronger. Yeah. So you can, but never be kicked twice. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So here, okay. So this one here, I'm going to use it, okay, your own way, because it's difficult to change you, okay? Because the teacher will teach you this, then I teach you different, okay? But the idea is exactly the same, okay? So the idea is to make the denominators the same. So these are the denominators at the bottom, okay? They must be the same, okay? So in a sense, during our time, we say we needed a common denominator for this. So the common denominator just multiplied this times that, which becomes 35, okay? But in your case, modern days say, no. Yeah, in the moment I do that, they become confused. So this one, we're going to multiply by 5 to get 35. So whatever number we multiply here, we're going to multiply the same at the top. So we are multiplying by 5, okay? We're going to multiply by 5 at the top. This one, we need to make it 35, so we need to multiply by 7 and also multiply by 7 at the top. So if we do that, it means this has changed. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, so now it's going to be 10 over 35 plus 7 times 1 is 7 over 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, Once you have that, then you just need to add the top. So 10 plus 7 is 17 over this one of these, which is 35. That's it. Easy, easy. All right, this one here, okay, we need to multiply 3 times this one because this is a mixed fraction. So 3 times 1, that's 3, plus 2, that's 5. So this one has come as 5 over 3. Then it's divided by 3 over 4. So we need to change this division to multiplication. So it's going to be 5 over 3 multiplied by, okay, we change this. Once we have changed this, we need to change this. This goes on top, that goes down. Okay, so it's going to be 4 over 3. So 4 times 5 is 20 over 3 times 3 is 9. So that is going to be 2, okay? 2 times 9 is 18. 20 take away 18 is 2. So it's going to be 2 over 9. Okay, so that will be the answer. Yeah. Okay, let's take this one here. This one, they say 4.34 divided by 0.7. Okay. Right. So let's see how we can deal with this. So we said earlier on, okay, in one of the very first, okay, we said we're going to multiply, okay, to remove these decimals because they give a haddock. Yeah. Okay. So the highest number here is 2 decimal places. This is only 1. This is 2. Therefore, I'm going to look at this one. So I'm going to drop 1 for dot, and every number that comes is going to be 0, 0. So that what tells you that we need to multiply by 100. Okay. So if I multiply this one by 100, it's going to be 434 divided by, if I multiply this one by 100, it's going to give me 70.
Okay.
All right. So now what we have 434. Okay, divided by 70. Okay, so take it easy. Nothing to worry at all. Okay, let's divide by 2 because we can quickly see that 2 can go in there. We need to reduce this. So 2 into 70 is 35. Okay, we need to reduce the numbers because it's easier. And the 2 into 4 is going to be 2. 2 into 3 is going to be 1. 2 into 4 is going to be 2 again. Is that correct? No, 14. It's going to be 7. Okay, so what we have now, we have 217 over 35. Okay, we need to reduce it further, so we're going to divide by 7. 7 here is going to be 5. 7 into 21 is going to be 3. 7 into 7 is going to be 1. So what we are remaining now is 31 over 5. You see, now it is become easier. 5 into 31 is going to be 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, so there's one remainder. We add 0 to it. So this is going to be decimal point. So we add 0 to it, it's going to be 10. 5 into 10 is going to be 2. So that's the final answer.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, dividing using these decimals is going to take you ages, and in the end, you're going to have a headache. Okay. Right. This is a nice one. Okay. Yeah. This is a nice one. How many marks was this? 5 marks. So failing this will mean a big hole in my marks. Okay, let me take this off so that you can follow. Okay, right. So what we need to do, okay, we need to divide this, okay, So we need to divide this. So we just put a line this across, okay? So we have cut this. So the top part there is the trapezium, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we need to know, so this distance here is the same as this distance. So this is 3 meters. This distance here is going to be, okay, let's see. Okay, so from here, pay attention. So from here to the end there is 3.4 meters, but from here to here is only 2.2. So to get that, we need 3.4, take away 2.2, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right, so we need 3.4 minus 2.2. So that gives us 1.2. So this is 1.2. Okay, so if we divide it that way, so this is A, this is B. Okay, so A is a trapezium, B is a rectangle.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we need to find the area of each of these because that's what they want us to do. So area of a trapezium is going to be half, okay, bracket sum, which means add, okay, parallel, okay, times the height h. So h is this one here. So h is 1.2, which is this one we found. Okay. Now this parallel is this side and that side there. Okay. So we have 1 centimeter, and from here to here, which is 3 meters. Sorry, 1 meter, which is 3 meters. So it's going to be half. So I'm going finding this first. So it's going to be half. We need to add this parallel. These are parallel lines. Okay. So we're going to have 1 plus 3 and multiply by the height, which is 1.2. All these diameters. Okay, so what we'll get square meters. Okay, so if I add 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 4. Okay, so it's going to be 4 times 1.2 divided by this 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2, and 2 times 1.2 is going to be 2.4 square meters. So this is the area for this trapezium.
Oh, okay.
The area for this is going to be L times the width. So length is 3 meters multiplied by width, which is 2.2 meters. So this is going to be 6.6 square meters.
Oh, okay.
So we need the total area. Okay, so total area is going to be 6.6 square meters plus 2.4 square meters. That would be, okay, so 4 plus 6 is 10, so it's 0 point. And then 2 plus the 6 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is 9 square meters.
Oh, okay.
So that's the total area, all right? So now we are happy. We can start going into the little things they are talking about. So 1 pack of tiles will cover 2 square meters, okay? So we need to find how many packs. Okay, so how many packs does he need? So how many packs? Okay, to find the number of packs, we need the 9 divided by 2. So that is going to give us a 4.5. So because he's buying the packs, we need 5 packs. He can't buy half.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. So it's the 5 packs he need. So this is what he's going to. Okay. He's going to buy. All right. Okay, so then we're going to go further. So it's a pack of tiles normally costs £24.80. Good, excellent. All right, so I'm going to go upwards because I can't go down here. My road is closed. Okay, they don't allow me to go. So you have done with this already, yeah? Can I take them off? off, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. They'll never come back once I've taken them off. They are dead forever. That's how bad I am. Okay, right. So we have 5 packs we need, okay? Yeah, so we need now to multiply how much we could have paid for that. So that's what where we are. So each pack is 24 pounds. So we have no, we need this one. Okay, so they are selling 24 pounds 80p. Okay, and we need to multiply this by 5. Make sure it's correct. Yes. Okay, so 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. It's going to be 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 4 is going to be 24. Yeah. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2, that's 12. Okay, so we would have paid 124 pounds. But yeah, this guy is very good, the one who's selling us the tiles, because he gives us a 25% discount. Yeah, so we need to find the 25%. Okay, so 25%, which is 25 over 100 of £1, 124 pounds. Okay, so this is 1/4. Okay, so this is 1/4. So it's equal to 1/4 times 124. So 4 here, 4 into 12 is 3. 4 into 4 is 1. So we'll get a discount of 31 pounds. Okay, so we need to take away from here. So what will pay? So what to pay? So to pay, it will be 124 minus 31. So we have 3, 12 take away 12 take away 3 is 8, is it?
Yeah.
9.
9.
9. Okay, so we'll pay 93 pounds. That's the amount we need to pay. So we are told he has got 100 pounds. Has he got enough money?
Yeah.
Yeah, he has more money by 7 pounds. Yeah. Yeah. So that's what you are supposed to be doing here. This is the one which is more enjoyable because it gives you, yeah, it shows you literally that you're grown up. You can do all these things, isn't it? If you got this right, this would be great, isn't it?
Yeah.
You even feel great on your back. Say, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Can you get this if it comes again? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That yeah doesn't look like a yeah confidently. But we will see. Okay, right. This one, I don't understand what they want you to do, but I'll have a look. Okay, I'll have a look and come back to you. I want to look at. I hate these drawings, but I'm not a drawing person. But I think this one, if either you draw this way or you draw that way, or you cut one of them, it's going to give you less. But it's these two which don't make sense. So until I have looked at those drawings, I never took a drawing at school. Yeah, so I'll come back to those. Okay, let's go this one. Let me find this nice one. So that's more of headache. Okay, let's read this one. Okay. So you come to the unit cost again. Yeah. So unit of a gas costs 4.2 pence. Okay. On average, Ria uses 50.1 units of gas a week. She pays for the gas the uses in 13 weeks. Work out an estimate for the amount Ria pays. Okay. So because they want the estimate, so you are going to look at this estimate. So estimate of 4.2 pence is going to be equal to 4 pence. And you need to write this, yeah, if you have to get the marks, okay? Estimate of 50.1 units is equal to 50 units, okay? Right, so cost per week, okay? So cost of gas per week is going to be 50 multiplied by 4. So if you multiply this, it's going to be 0, it's going to be 20, right? So that is the cost per day a week, because that's what she uses per week, okay?
Okay.
And these are 200 pence, right? So we'll leave it that way, okay? So of course then she says she pays for the gas she uses in 13 weeks. So we need to multiply this by 13 to get 13 weeks total. All right, so leaving 200 is easier because you can, yeah, you can just say 13 times 0, 0. 13 times 0, 0. 13 times 2, 26. And then you divide by 100. So, okay, so what you have here, you're going to pay 26 pounds. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, it's saying, is this underestimate or overestimate? No, it's underestimate because you are removing this 0.1, you have removed the 0.2.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Easy peasy. Mhm. Why did you get this wrong? I have no clue. I think probably you didn't eat fish that day. You need a fish. Jumbo. Balavian jumbo. Okay, never mind. Let's see what we have to do. Okay, I think you just caught up just a little bit. This one here, okay, says 5, 5. Okay, so put another 5. Okay, so what it means here is 0.25, then 5, then 5, then 5. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just take a cup of 5. Oh, okay. Yeah. So that if we take from here, so if we take 0.255, okay. So we're going to put in 1 here, and everything that comes after this is going to be 0, 0, 0. So we have changed this to 255 over 1,000. Now, yeah, makes life easier for us. So we can divide by 5. So 5 into 10 is 2, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 25 is 5, 5 into 5 is 1. So the answer you will have is 51 over 200. Not 1/4, no.
Oh, okay.
Because this means 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah, forever. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so take at least another 5 there. And then, yeah, yeah. Okay. Right. Let's go. Let's go again. This one, I don't believe you. Because of this, you were singing like you were singing from the fig tree. So why did you get it wrong? I have no clue. Yeah. You
Okay.
see, yeah, that's why I keep on saying, don't memorize. The best is understand. As soon as you understand, tell everybody that I'm free. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm free forever. You can't catch me anymore. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what it said. Okay, so your music is in sine, and sine is in opposite over hypotenuse, and that's what you were singing to me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so is the sine 30. So it's saying sine 30. So this is 30. So opposite is going to be x. Hypotenuse is 12 and tells us this is 0.5. So what do we need to do? We need to multiply both sides by 12. That's all. If I multiply this side by 12, I get x, which they want us to find. If I multiply this by 12, I get 6. So the answer is 6 centimeters. See how easy it is?
Yeah.
When I saw that, tell him or her that next time you'll not give me eggs again. All right? Because I'll be ready to punch you back. Yeah. So all you need is if they said cosine, then what do you learn cosine mean? Okay, that's all. If you say tan, what did they say tan mean? Okay. Yeah, and then just substitute them. That's all. Easy, very easy. But as I said, I speak rubbish because what is easy for you is not easy. What is easy for me is not easy for you. So I don't understand. Okay, so let's hope next time you can punch back. Don't forget what my mom taught me. You can be punched and fall down, but the best is to wake up. When you wake up, you are going to be much stronger and you'll never be punched again. Yeah?
Yeah.
The white people say, once bitten, twice shy. Yeah, so that's the motto you need to have. Say, you teacher, you were happy to give me these eggs last time. And this time will not play with me again. Yeah. Punch you back. Okay. Now again, so here again, we need so we are multiplying. Okay. Now the best way here is to forget the decimal point. Okay. And think of the decimal point afterwards. So we have 183. So forget about the decimal point times 47. Okay. So we always take it. Now, this is definitely, you are not alone. All right. I don't know what is happening in your schools. All right. Whether because of a calculator, I don't know. But it creates a problem. Right. So we start with this number here. Okay. And the answer should be in line with this. Right. I'm going to finish this, I'm sure. Okay. So 7 times 3 is 21. Okay. So we write 1, we keep it 2. Okay. Yeah. Then 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 2 is going to be 58. We keep it 5. Yeah. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see where I put this. Okay. So then, so we are finished with this number. We're going to start with this number. Again, the answer should start from this line here. So 4 times 3 is 21. So put 1, we keep it 2. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 2 is going to be 34. So put 4, we keep it 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So then we add this. Okay. So we drop 1 here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 7 is 8. And then so we go back, right? So when we go back, we realize that we have 1, 2. So there are 2 numbers after decimal place. So we start from here. So 1, 2. So which means the decimal place is here. So the answer should be 86.91.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but this is giving a headache to almost everybody. Yeah. Right. Okay. We'll stop there. Yeah. We'll continue next week. Okay. We'll finish this. Yeah. Definitely we'll finish, and then we'll go to the next paper, the other paper, and then you can take another test, which I'll send. Okay.
Okay.
And see how you get on. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Is it making sense?
Yeah.
You think you can punch the teacher back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry for the time being. So, no. I can get up. Okay. But when I get up, I'm going to be much stronger. Right? That's the best way to think of it. All right.
Okay.
Right. So I'll see you next week. Okay.
Okay.
Let me get on to the next one who is waiting. All right. See you next week.
Okay.
You take care. Okay. Bye.